Ever stared at a check and felt like you're deciphering ancient hieroglyphics? Today, we're demystifying the process and showing you exactly how to write an RBC check, ensuring your payments are smooth, secure, and error-free. First, let's grab our blank RBC check at the top right corner. You'll see the date field. Here's where it gets crucial. We're going to write the date in a specific format. Using your month day, for example, if today is July 12, 2024, you'd write 20,240,712. Next, move down to the pay to the order of line. This is where you write the full name of the person or company you're paying. Make sure the spelling is correct to avoid any issues with the recipient depositing the check. For instance, you might write Smith and Jones Co. Now for the money, in the rectangular box, write the amount in numbers, like $15,000 directly below. On the long line, write out the amount in words. So, for $15,000, you'd write $150.00 if you're dealing with cents. Always express them as a fraction out of 100. Almost there. The final step is your signature. Sign your name exactly as it appears on your RBC account. This confirms to the bank that you authorize this payment. Ensure your signature doesn't overlap any other printed information on the check. And that's it. You've successfully filled out an RBC check. Double check everything one last time to ensure accuracy. By following these steps, you'll avoid common errors and keep your transactions secure. Like and subscribe for more banking tips.